Well, good morning, everybody. It is Travis here on this Thursday morning, shortly after 7 o'clock, where things are much quieter after a busy evening last night. We had some quite a bit of hail reports out there, a lot of nasty weather. No tornadoes, thankfully, were reported, even though there were a few tornado warnings yesterday, three that I can recall around the area. Only one funnel cloud up in the Cedar County area, northeast Nebraska. Now, as for chances of rain today, they are pretty slim, but by the mid to late morning and early afternoon, there is a small chance of precipitation in southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Maybe a hit or miss shower or thunderstorm. Not a great chance, though. Otherwise, the rest of us pretty quiet with lots of sunshine for today. And today will likely be the hottest day of the week for most of us. And in fact, now not overly hot, but compared to what we have down the road later this weekend for the weekend and into most of next week, this is probably the biggest heat we're going to see for a while. And it's not even going to be that bad, really, compared to other heat that we've seen through the last several weeks and the last couple of months here. Heading into tonight, pretty quiet, although maybe a small chance of a hit or miss shower thunderstorm in central eastern Nebraska, but the chances are not that good. I have significantly lowered that chance of precipitation. If you recall, the last couple of days I was throwing in a 20% chance for Thursday night. It's not even that good of a chance now the way it looks. And then tomorrow, pretty quiet, mainly sunny skies. Not as hot out there as we see temperatures back mostly in the 80s for highs for the majority of the area. So again, the Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk of severe weather for the southeastern portions of the local 4 viewing area. It's not a very good chance, but again, we'll watch that chance towards the mid to late morning or early afternoon for some marginal large hail or some gusty winds out there that could reach up to 50 or 60 miles per hour. Well, temperature-wise today, as I said, today will be the hottest day of the week. That said, up north, still mid and upper 80s to lower 90s. Not overly hot by any means. Mainly sunny skies. Northwest winds 10 to 15. Out towards the west, we're looking at mainly sunny skies with temperatures. These will be the warmest areas of the viewing area, with lower 90s around Lexington, but mid 90s elsewhere, maybe even sneaking to the upper 90s. Mid 90s in northern Kansas, a small chance of rain and thunderstorms closer to the Nebraska-Kansas border later this morning or early this afternoon. Low 90s around the Tri-Cities. And to the east, we're looking at temperatures upper 80s, lower to mid 90s for afternoon highs with mainly sunny skies. Well, next couple of days, pretty quiet weather. Again, even that chance today is pretty slim, but quiet weather through most of the weekend ahead. We're back down in the mid 80s for Friday and Saturday. Notice the lows aren't too bad in the mid 60s. Upper 80s on Sunday with partly cloudy skies. Then late Sunday night after midnight, chance of rain will start to pick up. So we'll see about a 40% chance there of rain and thunderstorms after midnight Sunday night. And then we're down to about a 30% chance during the afternoon and then into the evening hours, and then a slight chance early on Tuesday morning. Chances start to pick back up later Tuesday and more so Tuesday night into Wednesday. And temperature-wise, with those rain chances around, we'll be cooling it back a little bit more with lower 80s for high temperatures. Long-range forecast models are keeping the 80s around through most of the rest of the month, all the way through July 31st. There are some signs of maybe even some 70s later next week in the forecast. So you can't really complain about the temperatures, and if we can keep those rain chances around, that's always a good thing as well. Another nice weekend to look forward to if you have any weekend plans. Lots of things going on with fairs and other festivals and stuff like that. So if you have plans, looking like a good weekend ahead. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a wonderful Thursday. God bless.